I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, you know.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a ESR HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger. So this was sent over to me by my friends at ESR. Taking a look at it, it's retails for about $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. I love their MagSafe compatibility products. Their actual MagSafe kickstand, which is very popular. I use it all the time when I go to bed. It's amazing for a budget price as well. Innovated original design since 2009, which this company is available in 180 plus countries. Hashtag ESR gear. On the back, this is the black model. I think they only have it in black, just so you know. So here it is. Right here you have the air vent section slash the little ball mount as well. You have a USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, DC 9 volts, fairly decent quality. Not the best, but it comes with it, so that's nice. Got the car mount itself. Here it is. It looks exactly the same as their ESR MagSafe. Similar size as well. Pretty much the same exact size. A little bit bigger, just by a few millimeters. This is what it is. It's very lightweight. You have the output, it's 15 watts max. So if your phone could support that, then it will do that. It's 9 volts up to 2 amps and 12 volts up to 2 amps. So to be able to install this, and then just insert it and then screw it on. Installation is just super easy. You can tighten it as much as you want. The tighter it is, the harder it is to move. The looser it is, the easier mobility it is to move the actual device. So right here, which is different between multiple different car mounts you have, is this little, I guess, grip. So when you attach it to your air vent right here, which this is a very tight clamp, when you attach it to your air vent, it'll stick on, and then you adjust this part to stabilize the device from moving and bumping around in your car. So it'll be very stiff and stable while you're in a car. If you're in a bump, it'll move basically with your car. It has a very strong magnet, compatible with MagSafe cases. I recommend only using MagSafe cases or no case at all. So first of all, this thing is really strong. I have complete faith in this. And it's easy to take off too. It's not like you don't have to struggle with it. It comes off easily, but it stays on really, really well. And I think that's an LED indicator right there as well. You also have USB-C input right here and 2 vents on the top and bottom. And that's pretty much it. Very simple design, very thin as well. I'll go ahead and take off this case and show you what it's like without the MagSafe case. So right here we have just a normal one. I'm pretty sure it will work on the Mini as well. Ooh. Without any case here, it's less protective. I recommend getting a MagSafe case, since the magnets on the external cases are a lot stronger than the ones in the actual iPhone. That didn't do pretty well. This won't do well either, but we'll check it anyways. Yep. It doesn't even lift it. So cases will not support that. Only MagSafe cases are your only bet. But I recommend getting a MagSafe case anyways, because there's so many cool MagSafe accessories you can get out there. You can get a MagSafe wallet. You can get a MagSafe power bank, which just snaps on like that, and you can just easily charge your phone just like that. Really, really simple. You have kick sounds out there, wallets out there. You have tons of different things. Like I said, bedside night charging, where you can just do this, snap your phone on there and you're charging. Really cool stuff with MagSafe, so I definitely recommend taking advantage of MagSafe. It should fit on most vents, so it's very simple to apply. I showed you how to put this part on. You just have to place this, just make sure it goes all the way into the vent. This bottom piece right here, just push it up and it's more stable. But you can get this cable here, plug it into any USB port if you have one in your car, and then you can easily charge your phone like that. I'm gonna probably use a shorter cable for this car, but you can have a quick charge port right there as well for your power outlet, and then you just have power. So then you just get your phone here, place it like that. Very simple, and as you can see, it looks really, really good. It fits on it really, really well, and you're able to charge. You have full navigation. You can angle it however you want. So if you want it mainly towards you, if you want it in the middle, if you wanted to turn it sideways, so if you wanted to watch a movie or something, you can do that. It's really simple. You can do it however you want. It's really easy to take off. You can pull it off and it won't pull off the vent. And then you also have ventilation here, so you won't have a hot phone. You just turn on your air vents, make it be cold or warm, doesn't matter, and it'll be pretty much perfectly fine. So I really like that. And then you can also technically use this as a dash cam. You can just have it on as video. So if I wanted the video right there, you can do that. So yeah, it's really cool. This is the best possible car mount you can get on Amazon right now. I do recommend having a case on it, because if you don't have a case, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so if you don't have a case on it, as you can see, it's bare. Snaps on in place like so. And it's prone to fall, like you've seen right there. So a good bump might drop your phone, not too sure. So just be aware of that, because it might fall. But if you do have a case, like I showed you, it's a lot harder to fall. Put a lot of pressure into that. If I were to do it with the phone as well, I'll show you as well. So as you can see, we have the phone with the case. It's a lot more pressure. So you have a lot better securability with a case. So I recommend having the case on it so you have a better time overall with this device. But overall, I do love it. You don't have to use the charger, so if you don't want wires in your car, you just take it off, use it as a normal car mount. But the fact you have wireless charging available as well is just a game changer, especially in such a small form factor. Very thin, very sleek, matches any car really well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.